Okay, let's check out this hexagon. I'm going to go ahead to this angle down here on the bottom. And I see that it's obtuse because it's more than this right angle. So let's see how obtuse it is. So there we are at 90, but it went more. It's all the way at 120 degrees. Awesomeness. 120. Okay, let's check another one. I'm going to go up to this angle. Get my 0 ready. Hey, look at that. It matched the one on the bottom. And then I'm going to go up to this angle. See what happens here. I move that one, and I move my 0 back. Start at 0. Go all the way out. Check it out, people. It's 120 again. What do you think is going to happen on these 3 angles? Let's check. Let's move that 0 just to be sure. 120 again. How about this one? Line it up. 120 again. Check this one out. 120 yet again. That's why this hexagon is a special type of hexagon. All the angles are exactly the same, which means we call it a regular hexagon. If all the angles are the same, all the sides will be the same also. Woohoo!